Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I'm going to take class 8 Maths and the first chapter, that is rational number. It's a second exercise, that is 1.2. So let us start with me. The first question of this, that is represent these on the number line, means represent the rational number on number line. आपको 7/4 को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. नाउ हाउ यू विल डू इट. सी, इफ यू हैव सीन माय वीडियो ऑफ फ्रैक्शन देन इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू. बहुत आसान होगा आपके लिए ये करना. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच, जस्ट विजिट दैट वीडियो and that will help you. Okay, so let us start with this 7/4. अब 7/4 I told you कि आप क्या देखेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है. डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 4 पार्ट्स में हमने उसको डिवाइड किया. मीन्स एक यूनिट को हमने कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, 4 पार्ट्स. 1 यूनिट वी हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स. सपोज इट इज 1, दिस इज 2 एंड हियर इज व्हाट, -1. राइट, वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 1 यूनिट इनटू 4 पार्ट्स. सी, 1 2 3 3 अंदर आना चाहिए एंड फोर्थ वन भी ऑन दिस, दैट इज 4/4. Right children, this is 1/4, this is 2/4, this is 3/4 and this one is 4/4. Now again 1 और 2 के बीच में कितने पार्ट्स होने चाहिए, सेम as we have taken for 0 and 1 ना, that only we will take here, that is 1 2 3 and what, 4. Means here is 4/4. Now next one will be 5/4. Next one will be 6/4. Next one will be 7/4 and next is 8/4. What we want here, we want what, 7/4. So look children, where is 7/4? 7/4 is here. Just circle it and do like this. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us come to the next part, -5/6. Now here is 0, here I have taken 1, here I have taken 2, here I have taken -1, here I have taken what, -2. Okay, so children now see the denominator कितना दिया हुआ है, 6 दिया हुआ है. Now 0 and 1, एक यूनिट के बीच में हमें कितने इसके पार्ट्स करने, we have to divide this into 6 parts. Okay, so wait, this is negative. So where we have to go? We have to go this side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th one will be at 1, -1. So this is what? -1 by what? 6. -2 by 6. -3 by 6. -4 by 6. -5 by 6. See, when you are going towards the left, तो नंबर क्या होता जाएगा, डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. ओके, -1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, -2 3 4 5 like this. Here is what, here is -6/6. Right children, what we want what, this one, that is -5/6. So children, this is clear to you. आपने 0 और -1 के बीच में कितने डिवीजन करने हैं, 6 division. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 will be on -1. So I think this is clear to you. Now come to the next question. Go. So children, now we are at question number 2. Represent -2/11, -5/11, -9/11 on number line. So I have drawn number line here. Now all the 3 are minus, so let us take 0 here. Okay, 0 हमने यहाँ ले लिया. अब divisions देखो आप कितने दिया हुआ है, that is 11 division. Means here I am taking it here कि बीच में इतना gap रहे. Okay, so here I have taken 1 and here the same distance will take 2, -2. This is 0 के left में is negative, right to 0 is positive. Right, now 11 divisions, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Right, children? So here I have taken this one too. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Right? This one. This is what? Minus 11 upon 11. This is what? Minus 22 upon 11. Right? Now just count. Minus 2 by 11. See, this one is what? Minus, here downwards I am writing, minus 1 upon 11. This is minus 2 upon 11. This is minus 3 upon 11. Like this. Carry on till minus 11. Okay. What we want? See, minus 2. So, we want this one. Minus 2 upon 11. And then after 2, minus 3, minus 4. And what we want? Minus 5. So, this is minus 5 upon 11. Right, children? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? 0 से 1, minus 1 के बीच में 11 divisions we have done. First one is minus 1 upon 11, minus 2 upon 11. It will go, and here it will be minus 11 by 11. See, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and minus 11. So, we have done this one. Minus 2 by 11 will be second one. Minus 5 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one will be minus 5 by 11. And then after see what is written? Minus 9. 5 के बाद 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is minus 9 upon 11. So, this is our representation of these rational numbers on numbered line. So, I think it is clear to you. Okay, come to the next. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आप 2-3 बार वीडियो को देखिए, ठीक है? उसके बाद आपको बिल्कुल अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा ये. और टेक 3-4 more questions and draw the number line. बहुत मजा आता है ये करने में. Just try it. Okay. So let us come to now question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers. You have to write what? 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. 2 से smaller. 2 से smaller. अगर हम number line mind में सोच के चले ना, तो कभी भी कोई रैशनल नंबर का क्वेश्चन आपका अलग होगा ही नहीं. जस्ट कीप इन माइंड, नंबर लाइन है, 0 है, 0 के राइट हैंड साइड पॉजिटिव रहता है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव रहता है. ठीक है? नाउ व्हाट वी वांट 1 and 2. व्हाट दे आर सेइंग? 5 रैशनल नंबर्स व्हिच आर स्मॉलर देन व्हाट? 2. सपोज वी हैव टेकन दीज 2 नंबर्स. ओके, अगर आप ऐसे लेंगे, आप ये भी लिख सकते हो -1. No, 1 is also a rational number. 0 is a rational number. -1 is a rational number. -2 is a rational number. -3 is a rational number. 5 numbers smaller than this. 2 is this one. एक तो ये हो गया तरीका. Okay, these are the 5 rational numbers which are less than 2. Why? These are rational number because down to that denominator is 1. So these all are rational number. Okay, एक तो ये वे हो गया. दूसरा क्या है? Let us take between 0 and 2. I have taken between 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 के बीच में जितने भी होंगे rational number, that will be smaller. Rational numbers between what? 1 and 2. How you will find out? Say 1 upon 1 and 2 upon 1. In the last videos you have seen when I was telling about the rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. So these are the 2 rational number. इसके बीच में क्या rational numbers है? If you have to find out, how you will find out? See, denominator same है. What we will do? We will multiply 10 to numerator and denominator of both rational numbers. Okay, so let us multiply this with 10. So you will get 10 upon 10. And what here you will get 20 upon 10. Okay, so between these you can write now 10 से लेके 20 तक any 5 rational number write down. 11 upon 10, 12 upon 10, 13 upon 10, 14 upon 10 and 15 upon 10. These all rational numbers are less than what? 2. So children, I think till here it is clear to you. So children, we have done question number 1, 2 and 3 in this. In my next video, I'll tell you the rest of the question. So watch my video, don't miss it. Okay? तो मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ